Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on iPhone background app refresh. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 15 and you are wondering how to turn on background app refresh. In order to do that, you need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over there, we'll see screen appear just like this. You need to scroll down and then you need to click here general. After click over general, we will see screen appear just like this. You need to scroll down and then you will find there's something say background app refresh. From here, if you decide to turn on background app refresh, you can simply click over there and you can simply choose Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi color data if you want. So I'm going to choose here Wi-Fi and color data. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on background app refresh in your iPhone 15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.